Ever wondered how to maintain your gear after a hike? Well, it's an essential part of the hiking experience, often overlooked due to fatigue or the rush of daily life. Yet, the longevity of your gear depends on this crucial step. So, let's explore the simple ways to maintain your gear and keep it fresh for your next adventure. First, make sure to thoroughly dry everything. Moisture is a silent enemy, causing mold and mildew. Even if it didn't rain during your hike, your gear might still be damp from sweat or dew. So hang your tent, open the valves on your water bottles, and leave them to dry for a day or two. Unpack your bag, letting each item breathe, and assess them for further drying or immediate washing. Second, clean your gear after each trip. Sweat, grime, and dirt build up over time, impacting the durability of your equipment. Brush off dirt, wipe down the stubborn spots, and follow care instructions for sleeping bags, rain gear, and other items. Third, store your gear properly. Choose a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and avoid areas prone to moisture. Most gear benefits from loose storage, so give your sleeping bag some breathing room instead of stuffing it into a sack. Lastly, inspect your gear for repairs. Patch up any tears, replace worn-out components, and attend to maintenance tasks promptly. This proactive approach will ensure your gear is always ready for the next adventure. But how do you motivate yourself to carry out these tasks, especially after a tiring hike? Here are some tips. Adopt the shower rule. Make dealing with your gear a prerequisite for a hot shower. The promise of a refreshing rinse can be a powerful motivator. Next, embrace a gear-based affirmation. Transform your habits by seeing yourself as someone who takes care of their gear. This mindset shift can work wonders. Make gear care a social event. If you hiked with a friend, turn the gear maintenance into a fun activity, play some music, share stories from the hike, and keep each other motivated. And finally, reward yourself. Use post-hike treats as incentives. Maybe it's a slice of pizza or a scoop of ice cream. Whatever it is, use it as a reward for completing your gear care tasks. Remember, taking care of your gear is not just about prolonging its life, but also about ensuring your safety and comfort on your next trip. So give your gear the care it deserves and enjoy countless more adventures. Happy hiking!